Cooperation is the key, so all this is very important to lunar science.
I think we have established a relationship of trust and also friendship.
Und in dieser Kammer wurden alle Einstein-Probe-Module getestet.
The team at the Max Planck Institute for Extraterrestrial Physics, or MPE, in Munich, Germany, were very excited to receive a call from the Chinese Academy of Sciences.
We've been talking to Chinese partners for quite some time about doing a collaboration in X-ray astronomy.
The Chinese-led Einstein probe space mission, being developed to search for X-rays emitted by explosions across the universe, provided the perfect opportunity.
We were excited to be involved in this project. We have expertise that we've developed over many years, over decades really, in building sensitive imaging and spectroscopic X-ray telescopes. And this is exactly what you want to do with a mission like Einstein probe.
MPE have designed 2 X-ray telescopes which are now taking detailed scans of the sky from the Einstein probe in search of black holes and neutron stars.
We already know in principle how X-rays emit radiation, but this is precisely the niche we want to advance. Rapid variability, and this niche is now being filled with the Einstein probe.
For some 4 decades, China and European partners have been working together on scientific research, Earth observation, and lunar exploration to try and understand our universe and the great beyond. When China launched its Chang'e 6 mission to collect samples from the far side of the moon, 3 of its 4 international payloads came from Europe, such as the INRI reflector, which helped position the lander. Designed and developed by scientists at the National Institute of Nuclear Physics in Italy, the small array of mirrors in the INRI reflect laser beams which measure distance, allowing it to accurately position satellites, landers, and rovers within 1 millimeter.
The mission was launched, it landed successfully, and then about a month later, the microreflector was observed successfully by a laser orbiting the moon. It's important to have reflectors on the first side. This is the very first one. Allows to start the precise positioning of the reflector and the lander, and this data typically go to a planetary data system database, which is then available to all the world online.
Also on board the Chang'e 6 was France's first scientific instrument on the moon, the Dorn, developed to measure radon gas and other volatile elements to help scientists understand the physical and thermal properties of lunar soil.
If we understand better the migration of radon, we will be able to better understand also the migration of other volatile species, like for instance water, that can migrate to the cold polar regions and then form ices. That is a prime interest for the future Chang'e 7, Chang'e 8 missions and or emissions from other international agencies.
French planetary scientists are also working jointly with Chinese teams to detect and study gamma-ray bursts in outer space through a mission called the Space-Based Multi-Band Astronomical Viable Object Monitor.
The first gamma-ray burst was detected with the Chinese gamma-ray monitor instrument, and since then, we have accumulated a lot of data. The holy grail is to finally manage to accumulate enough information and locate the burst to convince large ground-based telescopes to repoint in order to somehow measure the distance of the burst.
En quelque sorte, la distance du sursaut.
These partnerships in astrophysics and data sharing are opening up the world to the discoveries of the vast unknowns of our universe.
This means a lot. I mean, exploring the moon, reaching the moon with a rocket, an orbiter, and then landing is very expensive, very difficult. So cooperation is the key. So all this is very important to lunar science.
Culturally, we have differences, but we also have a common passion to do science. The differences can mean that everyone brings something new, and something new can make progress.
I think we have established a relationship of trust and also friendship between the 2 sides.
It's opening up a completely new discovery space. And really, without the combination of the European technology and the Chinese technology, this would not work. It needs both, and therefore it's a perfect collaboration.
Many more projects are already in the pipeline, as Chinese launch capacity, coupled with European scientific expertise, is advancing space science and enhancing the possibilities of exploring far beyond what scientists once thought possible.